Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Learning Hunt.
Today we will see that the text property of the CSS. Okay, so before starting the video, if you want to learn HTML and CSS, then the HTML and CSS playlist link is in the description below. You can start from there. So let's start today's topic, that is text property, CSS text property here. So in that you can see that this is the basic template of my HTML and this is the Visual Studio Code here, and here is the HTML page with the heading CSS text property. Okay, so a new file I create here, that is CSS file, and I attach this file with my HTML file by this link tag. Okay, so for applying the text property, let's create some element here. So I just create here a heading, that is this is my CSS tutorial 9. Okay, and now I save this file and refresh my page here. Now you can see that my text will be visible in my HTML page. Okay, so let's apply some text property here. So I open my new.css file here and I give the heading. I apply here an external CSS property. Okay, so I give here the text align. Okay, text align. So if you give the text align property center, then your heading will be in the middle of your page. Now you can see that your heading will be the middle of your page. You can also write, you can also make your heading in the right side of your page here. If I write the right, and when I say refresh my page, now you can see that here is my heading will be right here, and you can also do the left side also, that is the default one here. Now I see that if here you can see that your text will be right side of your page. So in that, with the help of text align, you can deal with the position of your heading or also element some text. So I just write here the center of my text. Okay, here. Now let's create some paragraph for applying more text property here. So here I create a paragraph and apply the lorem 50 here. Okay, now I save this file and refresh my page. Now you can see that my paragraph is visible here. Now I apply the text property here. So I give the p element here, and now I give the text indent. Okay, so the text indent here. So I give here the text indent, that is 50 pixel. So what is the work of text indent? As you can see that here your paragraph will be start, the first line of your paragraph will be start at the left side of your page. Okay, when you refresh then you can see that your first paragraph will be move after the 50 pixel of your left side, then your paragraph will be start the left side of your page after the 50 pixel. Okay, you can also increase or decrease your text line, that is when I increase the 100, then you can see that your first line will be start from the 100 pixel from left side after the 100 pixel. Okay, you can also deal with the line height of your paragraph. So when you write the line height, that is 2 pixel. Okay, when you give the 20 pixel, then your line height will be increases the 20 pixel. I give here the 50 pixel, then you can see that clearly. Now you can see that the line height between the two line of your paragraph is the 50 pixel. Okay, you can also deal with the letter spacing, just like right here the letter spacing, and give the letter spacing, that is the 5 pixel. Okay, now save your file and refresh your page. Now you can see that the between the two letter the distance is 5 pixel. You can see that here the distance between the two letter is becoming the 5 pixel, you can also increase or decrease that. When I write here the 10 pixel, then it's also increase the line spacing, sorry, letter spacing, and when I decrease, then it's all decrease that. Okay, so in that way you can adjust your line height, letter spacing. Okay, you can also deal with the word spacing. So WO word spacing here. So I just write the word spacing, that is the 20 pixel. I write here, then you can see that the between of two word, you can see that the 20 pixel distance between the two word here. Okay, so in that way you can deal with the line height, letter spacing, text indent, or word spacing. Okay, so you can also transform your text, just like I give here my heading, that is the text transform property. I use text transform property, I use here the uppercase. Then you can see that my heading is in the lowercase now. Then when I refresh my page, then you can see that my heading will be uppercase, all letters. Okay, you can also give the lowercase here, then your heading will be the lowercase. I save this file and refresh my page. Now you can see that my heading will be the lowercase. You can also give the capitalize here, then your first letter of all word will be the capitalize. Okay, here. Now when I refresh my page, now you can see that the first word of your all word will be the capitalize here. Okay, in that way you can deal with you can transform your text, and also you can decorate your text also, just like I write here the text decoration here, and give the line through, then a line will be passing from your text here. As you can see that a line will be passing through your text. You can also give the overline, then a line will be appear over of your text, overline. Okay, here an overline will be appear of your text. You can also give the underline also, underline. Okay, now save this file and refresh your page. Now you can see that you can also underline, you can underline your property, sorry, text, and you can, there is also a none property. When you write the none, then no text decoration will be work for your heading. Okay, so in that way you can deal with your text property. So this is for today. If you learn something today, then give a thumb, press the bell icon, and subscribe my channel.